Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Lexus RX. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup monitor, navigation system, traction control, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.